Now, I want to discuss a K-drama movie, a K-drama series, but this K-drama that many people don't know about this. So, I want to review the K-drama series Flower of Evil was released in 2020 years ago. The drama Flower of Evil tells the story of Jiwon. Okay, she is a professional detective who get married with Baek Hee-seung. Baek Hee-seung is metal craftsman who come from wealthy family because his father is director from a famous hospital and his mother is run dog store. One day he meets with a beautiful girl who is struggling become to a detective, and his son fall in love to Jiwon, and they both finally decide to get married. There is nothing strange about but life harmoniously. Their marriage became happier after their first daughter was born. Baek Hee-seung figure in the eyes of his wife and child is a good and loving husband and father. However, behind his appearance as a perfect husband and father, Baek Hee-seung has dark past. He even hides his true identity and use a fake identity. Hee-seung is a loving father figure. He loves his beautiful daughter, but not only that, he also a vigilant husband. He does housework well, such as preparing breakfast and taking back and hug their child to school. Meanwhile, Jiwon is a career woman who is busy working as detective. Because of her busy schedule, she doesn't have many time to take care of household. However, this is not a problem in her family. One day, Hee-seung invite Jiwon and his daughter to meet his family. However, Hee-seung's family didn't seem to accept Jiwon and daughter. They even seem to not love her as their grandmother and father. Moon Chae-won would like stranger. Not only that, Hee-seung whole life began to be disturbed when detective Jiwon work began to investigate serial murder as masterminded by Dong-mi. So, various evidence point to Hee-seung, and Jiwon began to suspect him. One by one, the fake began to show. Hee-seung, who was the son of the Min-sok, who disappeared after killing a village foreman. The evidence grew stronger that Hee-seung was Hyun-sok when his sister Do Hee-so looked for him. Jiwon finally find out that her husband, whom she had loved all this time, was Hyun-sok, the son of a psychopath. It doesn't stop there. Jiwon continues to try to find evidence for the fake she just learned. She doesn't believe Hee-seung is Hyundo, but all evidence points to him, to his husband. The story becomes even more tense after the real figure of the owner, the name Baek Hee-seung, it's known that all this time Hyun So used identity of Hee-seung, who was in a coma and cared for and when was cared by his parents. Hee-seung, who had been in a coma for years, suddenly woke up, and it turns out he has a close relationship with Do Min-so. One day, the real Hee-seung meet the fake Hee-seung. The real Hee-seung wanted his identity, that Hyun-so back, but Hyun-so didn't want to return his identity. He was not his family to be destroyed because they knew his real identity. In the struggle to restore his good name, Hyun-so tired to find the real fake. Until the last episode, it was released that the Baek Hee-seung was actually Do Hyun-so father's confidant. The man was a psychopath who didn't decide to kill someone. When Baek Hee-seung and Do Hyun-so face to face, Ji-won's husband was shot by the psychopath. Shortly after that, Hee-seung died from being shot by the police. When Do-hyun survived even though he had amnesia, the doctor who treated Do-hyun-so told to Ji-won that her husband had amnesia and his memory for 50 years was gone. Long story short, Do Hyun-so finally started living his new day and choosing a new life. When he was looking for Hyun-so's new apartment, he passed the place where he usually used a workshop to work. While looking around, evidently he saw a note. Slowly, his memory began return. That when Ji-won saw Hyun-so reading his note, Ji-won is feeling love grew again. They decide to live together again. The story ends with Do Hyun-so meeting his son is Baek Eun-ha. The two of them hug to each other tightly, girdly with a warm hug from Ji-won. Okay, and now time to watch the trailer from Flower of Evil. Let's watch.
어떤 진실은 단 한순간에 내 삶을 폐허로 만들어. 그 진실이 밝혀지는 순간이 언젠간 다가올 거라는 걸 알지만 왠지 저기로 한번 들어가면 다신 못 나올 것 같아.
이번 사건에서 도민석이 사용했던 것과 완전히 똑같은 물건을 사용했습니다.
CCTV에 그대로 나와 있듯이 계획하고 준비했어요. 진짜 위험한 놈이에요.
아직도 모르겠어. 너 들키는 거 시간 문제야. 사실 나 누가 이장을 죽였는지 알아? 맞아. 내가 죽였어. 네가 날 도와주면 내가 아는 전부를 말해줄게. 혹시 알아? 연주시 연쇄살인 사건의 공범의 실체를 김무진 기자가 터뜨릴지. 난 백희성으로 살고 싶어. 그것뿐이야. 내 인생을 잃고 싶지 않아.
선택해. 앞으로의 우리는 지금 네가 결정하는 거야.
Okay, for review, K-drama series from A Flower of Evil is enough, and I recommend it for 2 words because this is so take me emotional. Okay, enough. I want to cut this video, so I wish we can meet again to the review the next film or K-drama or K-movie or K. Bye bye.